Hello there people, this video will talk about one of the knowledge transfer strategy, which is strategic knowledge transfer. Have you ever wondered what the strategic transfer actually means and when is the right time for us to use this strategy? To answer that, we need to look into 3 criteria to basically know when this strategy is most suitable to be used for. Who is the intended receiver? What is the type of knowledge being transferred, and what is the nature of the task are 3 main questions that we need to answer. As a definition, strategic transfer basically involves a collective knowledge, implicit and explicit, to accomplish organization's strategic task that rarely occurs but is significant to the entire organization. Indeed, it is the most complex strategy as it involves the whole organization where they need to learn and adopt new approaches. So, here is the answer of the 3 main questions mentioned before. The receiver will be the people within the organization. The knowledge involved will be implicit and explicit, and the tasks are not frequent and non-routine. To understand more, we will include the example from Nancy Dixon textbook that shows how strategic transfer was done. Center for Army Lesson Learned Call is a knowledge center that assemble, assimilate and leverage the knowledge that US Army learns in field. In 1994, collectors were sent to Haiti to gain additional knowledge on peacekeeping. They collected the knowledge of their operation by observing, interviewing and taking digital photographs and video. By doing so, they extracted out both tacit and explicit knowledge. The information collected then was sent back to CALL to be analyzed and processed to produce other knowledge products that can be used as a major training tool. Not only CALL helped to gather and disseminate the knowledge, they also made an effort to improve the current operation on the ground by sharing solutions from their own experience and knowledge. Let's see another example. Company A, a Turkish manufacturing company, decided to relocate their factory to India due to the country's low labor costs and technology advancement. This kind of decision can be considered as non-frequent, and the tasks involved also are non-routine, but very critical as it involves the whole organization. The upper management need to use their judgment and experience in order to come up with the suitable strategies that are able to fit with the country's environment. Besides that, they also need to refer all the related documents and reports to strategize on the recruitment of new employees as well as transferring and dismissing their current employees back in Turkey. Therefore, the knowledge involved along the process will be in both tacit, judgment and experience, and explicit, documents and reports. To ensure the decision-making was done successfully, meetings with representatives from both countries was conducted to exchange thoughts and opinions. The company also reviewed all the legal papers and guidelines to understand more on the country's business policies. That is all from us. Until then, bye!